What y'all know about that, man? We ain't playing no games with it. Look at my new baby. That's Bessie right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Say it and I say it back. I love the way you throw it back.
Your info and let them know where you at.
My phone number right here at the business office is 301-782-2277. DeRote Auto Sales in Brandywine, Maryland.
Yes, sir. Man, y'all better tap in, man. Real live, man. I'm telling you, this is a shop that been in the cut. And this is my second time being here, man. And I'm telling you, they some good, humble, loyal people. They want to treat you real good. They gonna give you good prices and everything. So, yes, sir. You already know.
I smacked out the whip, bitch, she said that the faggot behind. I bet fuck it up on these niggas. I smacked out the whip, bitch, she said that the faggot behind. I bet fuck it up on these niggas. I blow on this trigger, this shit that be stuck on my mind. Be having me up in the mid. Like focus on you in the future, that you gon' be mine. If we fuck it up in the bed. And I don't speak on this shit all the time. You gon' fall in love with a nigga. And I don't speak on this shit all the time. You gon' fall in love with a nigga.